guys, it's Jared from TGJ, and I got Jason here, our new member.
I'm the new member of TGJ, and today I'm going to do the Strepsil challenge.
Yeah.
These are the mintiest Strepsils. They burn the inside of your mouth and they taste like complete shit, and I'm going to do 6.
You're only meant to do 2 every 3 hours. So.
And it's 2 every 3 hours, and I'm already feeling sick after having 1. So, here we go. I can't open my mouth. Shit, it's already burning my mouth. Let's move over here. Move over here.
What's wrong with this place, mate?
Yeah, this
More
tree's
people.
quite nice.
Oh!
Shit.
Yeah, same.
Open your mouth.
This shit arouses me sexually.
I am getting hard on.
Move out of. Oh, I'm into it.
Ah!
Oh, what a waste.
You fucking bitch.
He's like crying. Is that bad? What's your throat like?
Did you swallow some?
One week got like halfway down my throat and I just choked it.
Pick one up. Pick one up.
Oh, wow. No, that's just disturbing now. I'm gonna take them back.
I'm going to take them all back.
Oh, wow.
Oh, not that one. That one's covered. I'll take.
Okay, go.
No, this one. Still, this one hasn't got anything on.
It's cold.
Hurry the fuck up, mate.
Look at his facials though.
That's so
Chew them. Chew them.
Breathe in, go.
Oh, fucking cold.
Don't spit them out. Just don't.
No, the leaf.
Try chew it, try chew it.
Chew one.
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? If you're gonna be sick, tell us, so that we can like move back.
Swallow the
Swallow,
chewed up shit. Swallow the chewed up shit.
Right.
He swallows.
Oh.
He's chewing them all up.
Good guys, swallow, Jason.
Chew them all up and swallow.
Thought he was coming forward to be sick there.
Swallowed.
Swallow, mate. Just fucking.
If you're gonna be sick, go to the tree.
There's one more.
Wait,
Oh, my nose!
how many?
And then
That's
4 more.
5. One on the ground. There's one on the ground there, so that's 5. So you swallowed 4 so far.
They're all gone.
Somebody should do the toothpaste challenge.